Hey everyone, it has been a little while since I have posted anything on this channel, and I thought I'd share an update as to basically what is happening. Why has Pazzy not been uploading any physics videos? What's been going on? Well, suffice to say the last 6 months of life have been quite stressful, both in terms of the amount of work that I've got to do for my current PhD as well as my personal life. However, I think things are going to start settling down a little bit more, and I should have a bit more time now to dedicate to creating physics videos for YouTube. So about a year ago, I posted a video which was announcing that I was going to start doing a condensed matter physics video series. And I did do a couple of videos for that. I covered some of the basic principles of condensed matter, things like Bragg diffraction and the different types of lattice structures and what happens when you get into reciprocal lattice space. And then I thought that I've actually covered quite a significant part of condensed matter physics already on this channel, on both my playlists of statistical and thermodynamic physics as well as electromagnetism. So things like the Einstein model of a crystal, which I have done a video for, and also things like the Drude model, considering a material as a bunch of dipoles. So I have actually done a fair amount of condensed matter physics on this channel, and to be honest, condensed matter physics, whilst it is interesting, is not really a interest of mine much these days. My main area of research that I focus on now is in climate physics and atmospheric physics rather than condensed matter. And so this may not be to everybody's taste, and I definitely understand that, but I will be making some videos on climate physics and atmospheric physics and maybe some stuff on fluid dynamics as well. I appreciate that's a bit of a departure from what this channel has been doing, but I think I kind of want it to synergize a bit better with some of the stuff that I spend my working hours doing. So essentially I'm going to start doing some videos on the Earth's climate. It's going to cover topics such as the energy balance of the Earth, what happens under climate change and how anthropogenic emissions are affecting climate change, and also maybe what we can do to stop that, ideally, and also various different processes that happen which contribute to the climate as we know it. So that's kind of the main plan going forward. I will, however, be taking into account any request topics. So if anybody really wants to see a video on a certain topic in condensed matter or statistical physics, I will be open to doing the odd video here and there on those topics. So if there's something that you really would like me to cover, drop a comment down below and I will probably make the video on that. The only thing I would really not want to make a video about is semiconductor physics, because I really don't enjoy that part of condensed matter. It was horrible when I first learnt it. So sorry if that's what you wanted, but I really hate that. So I will be open to any kind of requests on any topics that I might have missed. But for the most part, I think a lot of condensed matter physics has already been covered on this channel. So I will link my two playlists, my thermodynamics and statistical physics playlist, as well as my electromagnetism playlist, both of which have around 20 videos on, and there is a decent chance that I will have already covered it. So that's the plan going forward. Let me know if you guys have any request topics. Otherwise, I'll see you in the first video, which I'll be doing on the Earth's energy balance. Stay tuned.